What's up, guys? It's Chris, and I feel like no one ever knows what I actually do for work. So, today I am going to show you guys what I do for work and just like common questions. Let's actually backtrack to my background and things like that. So, I graduated with a degree in managerial economics from UC Davis. And most of my peers ended up going into consulting or, finance. Most of them ended up at Deloitte or Accenture or EY. But I knew towards my graduation date that I didn't want to be. Actually, I think I always knew that I wasn't going to be in a financial industry. Even though ironic because now I really like finance, but during college, I knew I wanted to do marketing, something that would allow me to, attend events and talk to people and not be in a cubicle. So my first job was at a media/advertising agency, and basically I touched all like marketing channels there, like anything you can think of. Now I've been in my current role for almost 2 years, and what I do is more of a specialized role, and I am an affiliate marketing account manager. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Okay, so the good stuff. So basically affiliate marketing is a performance marketing channel. That means that you can see sales associated with your marketing efforts. Essentially how it works is this. So imagine a company, right, an advertiser. They start an affiliate program. So they start running their own affiliate program. And what happens is websites like bloggers and publications such as like BuzzFeed promote products from this company or this advertiser by adding a tracking link URL to their website or to any of their platforms. And essentially what happens is when, say, somebody, you or me, click on that link and makes a purchase through that link, that website will receive a commission off of that sale. What I do is I'm essentially like the middleman between these two. So we have the company and then we have the websites. I'm the middle person, and I manage the communication between the advertiser, who I call clients, and then the websites, who I call publishers. So what are some of the affiliates, right? Like what kinds are there? So we have the bloggers and the content creators, shopping sites, websites which we call loyalty. These websites offer you a cashback or some sort of rewards. For example, Rakuten rewards, which by the way, if you don't already have Rakuten rewards, link down below. That's my referral link. You need to get your butt onto Rakuten rewards. There's advertisers that are currently offering up to like 10% cashback. That's literally free money. So get yourself a Rakuten rewards account because you're missing out on a lot of money. Okay, lastly, what do I like about affiliate marketing? So I really like how it's client facing, how it's all about relationship building, and mainly because I'm such an analytical person, I like being able to see the success of the campaigns through like literally numbers. I get excited when I see that, oh my gosh, we are up like 10% in sales year over year. So that's kind of what I do for a living and the industry that I'm in. Hope you guys learned a little bit more about me and about affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn more about marketing, maybe I can make some more videos. Just let me know what you're interested in, and I'll try my best to kind of share my knowledge about the industry. All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching.